Hey guys, say hi Flash. Hi. Today we're coming back with the duels. So strap in and let's fight. Okay, our opponent is a pro, looking at like what he has there. So we're at the beach. We're at the beach, and it looks amazing, but it could be anywhere. Like, could be the Bahamas, the Caribbean, the Seychelles. I have no idea. I'm gonna try the Caribbean because time is key here. So let's try somewhere. I don't know, the Bahamas. Let's try the Bahamas. I don't know, it could be as well the Philippines, which are on the other side of the world, but, well, I was way closer. It was at Bahamas, at the US Virgin Islands. Hey, not at Bahamas, at the Caribbeans. Okay, let's go further. Okay, it's in Russian, and, I mean in Russian, in Cyrillic, I actually don't know if it's in Russian. Okay, it looks, okay. I'm gonna try somewhere here. Ooh, it was Bulgaria. He got it better. Aye. It's a tough fight. Okay, it's a low church at the burial ground. Something is on fire. There's a sea. What's going on here? I have no idea. Oh my god, he already guessed. Okay, goddamn. Greece. I will just guess here. Oh, it's in Sri Lanka. Oh, we got smashed. Wow, but the guy was a pro. It was unfair. It was a bit unfair. Like, look at me. I'm like this random dude and have this brown thing. Okay, this guy is an anime character, so at least that. Wow. Okay. What's going on here? It looks nice. I like it. Let's find something written on it. I think I'm doing it a bit too quickly, without looking for serious clues as to just like how it looks like and just take a wild guess. Just to not give my opponents time. But maybe a better thing is to actually first figure out where it could be, and then when you have like the surroundings, like, so at least, I don't know, it's, let's say, Czech Republic, and you just go, okay, because Elado, okay, is it Hungary? It looks a bit Hungarian. Yeah, so like I think it's Hungary, so I'm just gonna click Hungary, and now he has the time pressure. But at least I think it's Hungary, and not just like a random place. I think I'm wrong. No, I wasn't wrong, and I was a bit closer. Hey, you see, that's what you gotta do to be the anime characters in your life. It's some wisdom. Okay. We have nice mountains here, nice cows. I like the cows. The cows are always great. Wow, looks stunning. Okay, let's get to some buildings. There's a church. It's looking a bit... Okay. I need a bit more clues. Switzerland. Okay, Switzerland. Well, the guy probably got the same thing. Just gonna click here. Hey, I was closer. Let's go. Again. Wow, it's a tough game. We're both very close. A preferida rupas novas e seminovas. Okay. Okay, that's Portuguese. And therefore I guess it's Brazil. It could be Portugal. Parana. Parana? Okay. Parana. That's an interesting church. Oh man. Bradesco. Well, I'm pretty sure it's Brazil, but Brazil is pretty big. But hey, yeah, it's a bit too big. So, but I know like the biggest cities are here, so just gonna try. Where could it be? Yeah, the Brazil flag. And it's like it keeps on happening. Hey, this time 1,000. Let's go. Wow. It's an even match. Okay, where are we now? Okay. Exit Samedi Avril. Oh, wow. Montpellier. I see Rockster Montpellier. Let's try it. Let's go. I hope it actually is Montpellier, but it could be. Damn, I still didn't win. We're doing it hard. Half healing? What does it mean? Killing mean. Okay, where are we? Is it... I can't... I don't know what's written there. Okay. It's Eastern Europe. And maybe not. It could be. Looking for clues. There's a shop. Mlekara Jagodina. Okay, that sounds very Balkan. I'm just gonna go for it and go for Serbia. I need to put him under pressure. Now we're very close. So what does this healing thing? I've never actually been before to the 5th round. It's like the closest game we have. I just clicked Serbia. And okay, that's it. You can... What? It was the healing round. That was so bad. Why? I would win. Okay, double damage. Okay, now we need to win. Iznoma against Kalna Biznesa. What's that? Oh no, that's very bad. Skama Salons Studia. Is it Hungary again? It sounds Hungarian. It feels Hungarian. I'm gonna click Hungary. It's double damage. If I lose now, I'm gonna be so mad. I should have won. Fuck. Man. Come on, anime character. Mess it up. It was Lithuania, but I was way closer. So double damage. Let's go. We win. Hey, flawless victory, baby. Let's go. New division. Okay. Let's go for the 3rd game to kill the contest off. Get those divisions higher. Climb those ladders. I like this game style because you don't need to be precise. I find it a bit boring sometimes to just like search the exact street in the exact city. But like, as long as you can quite quickly recognize where... Nice cows. Where in the world you are, I think that's the point of it. You know, instead of just getting to the... Okay, it's in German, but it looks Austrian. I'm gonna just go for Austria. It's close to the things, so maybe somewhere here. Let's go. Let's see. And now I can just look for more Familie Helle, Austria Bio, yeah. Yeah, I could have seen that before. Let's see. Okay, the guy didn't pick anything. I was quite far actually, it's here. But, hey. Come on man, fight me. I need a challenge. Okay, and I got a challenge. I love those streets in the middle of nowhere. Okay, let's see. There was a biker. Let's see the signs. Oh, cows, cows. I love it. I need to see the cows. Hey! Nice. I like the cows. Okay, but I still don't know where we are, so... Like, very vast. A lot of cows. I should have seen the biker, like, maybe the skin color could tell me somewhere. Like, which continent it is at least, or at least which continent is it a higher chance to be. Ah, I wish we could go there. Can we? No. Great. Great. I'm not sure if my opponent is even playing, so I'm just gonna click here and just see if he's actually playing. If he's not playing, it's pretty boring. Then we play one more, if he's not picking anything. Let's see. Nah, it was here, but oh god. Yeah, he's not playing, but I still need to click one more thing. I'm just gonna do it quickly. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, that's in Europe. I don't know where, but that's in Europe. Just click Germany. Maybe it's not Germany. Yeah, it's probably not Germany. I don't know, I clicked Germany. Yeah, but it doesn't really matter. Like, as long as it's in Europe, I'm gonna just finish it off. That was Lithuania again. Wow, this Lithuanian thing is... Okay, but yeah, the guy wasn't playing. Yeah, let's go one more. Let's go one more then. Let's go one more. Okay, we're somewhere in Asia. We're somewhere in Asia. It's like... Oh, I can't differentiate those signs. Is it... Oh god. Is it Japan? Is it... Fire hydrant? It could be Japan. I'm just gonna click Japan. Quickly. I need to pressure my opponents. We need to do it. Yeah, because there's some stuff in English, but not that much. Yeah, it was Japan. And I was a bit closer. Hey. Yeah, it doesn't really change a lot. Okay, where are we now? Palm trees. Okay, it's a port. Aventura. Okay, it's building. Okay, there's a sign. It's Yiddish. Okay. Where are we? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so bad. Let's click here. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's the only country that uses Yiddish, so... And it also looks Israeli. So... The Aventura kinda... Ooh, man. Ooh, you're going down. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's finish it off. Damn, I'm enjoying this. It's like, it's not even about being direct. Okay, Nevada. Let's go. Okay, I guess the only life is here. Ah, he was closer this time. God damn. 69! No! Okay, it's not the end. My opponent is putting in the fair fight. Rennes Pilet Vigernes. Is it? No, I think it's more Swedish. Yeah, I don't know. Is it? It doesn't sound, because like in Finland they have a lot of those things. No, it was Norway. Hey, we're very similar. No, he wins again! God damn it! Healing! No! I don't want to heal. Okay. I don't want him to heal. Pretty much. It looks very UK, but they drive on the right. So Netherlands. Just click it, so maybe he doesn't figure it out and he doesn't heal that much. Oh my god. 0-5. Now it's gonna be double damage. Now, we gotta make it, crossing my fingers. Ah, it was okay after all. Okay, maybe it was a small street. It doesn't matter, it was healing. Oh, okay, double damage. Let's go. Food City. It looks American. Immediately American. But where? It's very American. Just Mexican food. Yeah, thank you. Signs, road signs. Are there signs? Speed limit. Yeah, thank you. Oh, here. Come on, tree. Oh, come on, tree. There's no sign. Sushi, Stila Sonora, Popeyes. Louisiana. Okay, it might not be. Why am I scrolling here? It might not be Louisiana, but I'm gonna try that it is actually Louisiana, because it might be just a chain and be somewhere else and just be called Louisiana Kitchen. But I need to pressure my opponent. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, he didn't pick anything. It's double damage. But still. Ah, why didn't he pick anything? Triple damage. God damn it. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the road. I know this place. Or do I? I'm not sure now. I don't wanna... God damn it. Pare. Galeria Nacional. Fuerteventura. I know... No. Puertorriqueña. Okay. Okay, I don't know this place then. Is it? I'm not sure. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Triple Damage. Let's go. Winning everything. Metropolitan Division Tier 1. Let's go. Hey guys, like and subscribe. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. Next episode is gonna be episode number 10, so kind of a landmark, you know? Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye bye.